Hello mga kakabsat! Kagalang-galang nga pala tayo for today's video. Ngayong araw kasi ay naimbitahan tayo na maging isa sa Board of Judges sa gaganaping Mr. and Miss Intramurals sa school kung saan ako nag-aral nung high school sa Sana Eves. O diba? Ganda-gandahan tayo for today's video mga kakabsat.
May we also acknowledge the presence of Ma'am Cherry Tolentino. Good morning, ma'am, and welcome to Sana Eves.
Ito nga pala yung mga kasama ko na magiging Board of Judges ngayon kakabsat. Kasama natin si Ma'am Marvic Galiza, si Sir Bobby Robert Maltiso, Sir Angelo Figarola, at Ma'am Ana Maria Chuara. First time ko nga mag-judge mga kakabsat, kaya medyo kinakabahan ako, super overwhelmed nga ako dahil palagi akong ini-invite ng Sana Eves. Thank you sa school principal ng school na to, si Ma'am Marivic Pascua sa palaging pag-invite sa akin. Sobrang nakaka-proud lang na dati nag-aaral lang ako dito. Ngayon, isa na ako sa Board of Judges. Mr. and Miss Intramurals pala ang ganap ngayon mga kakabsat. Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi first time ko ito. At the same time, syempre, excited din ako mga kakabsat.
Ang balsed ako man yan. Sa harap.
Bago nga nagsimula ang program mga kakabsat, ay nagbalse muna ang ating mga guro. Ne, talagamot ne, nalainglat nga bumalse mo aji teacher ko idiji cosmetology ni Ma'am Lasaw. Kaslahan na mo yung bagsak ideyo. Haha, charot!
Pauline Francisco.
Saidad Gabuyo,
Representing
ERUDIE, Yellow Unidad!
Maria Vicente Alberto.
Andre Abanilla,
Representing Green Amity. Aileen Baisa.
Carl Javen Baisa, representing Lacando.
Princess Hannah Corrales.
Jacob Jelogangan,
Representing Red Dotland. Ayana Aiden Tumaliwan.
Maynard Fernandez,
Representing
Green Amity.
Rihanna Raquel Coloma.
Benjamin Topinho,
Representing Red Dotland. Princess Geraldine Pumalon.
Catherine Milagro,
Representing Yellow Unidad.
sa laro ito. Nakakasa at nahuhubog rin ang talento ng bawat mag-aaral at nagbibigay rin ito ng resistensya sa ating katawan.
Mahalagang intramurals dahil dito ay nagbibigay ng kaunladan at kahusayan at dito ko din maiunlad ang ating talento.
Ang School Intramurals ay mahalaga sa buhay ng mag-aaral dahil nagbibigay ng aral at natututunan din nila magkaroon ng moral values, disiplina sa kapwa at pamilya at iba pang moral values.
I believe intramurals are important because they strengthen friendships, promote sportsmanship, and give hard work and determination to students. Those values are vital in students' studies, not only for their studies but also their daily life. It promotes compassion and fairness.
Academic and sports are important po. It's important both in academic and sport because it keep your physical body healthy and keep you motivated. It's also relieve your stress when playing. By that, it can make you focus on your study, and when physical and playing, it can be exercise that keep you from illness or sickness. Intramurals remind us that learning is not just inside the classroom. Dito natututo tayo tumanggap ng pagkatalo at tumabang muli.
Ready ka na ba, candidate number 7?
For me, being a student, important school intramurals show social interaction and physical activity, stress relief, and helping students build friendship and showing sportsmanship and creating a positive way. Thank you so much.
What message would you convey to someone who believed that sporting events like these are just a waste of time?
I would tell them that sporting events are not a waste of time because they build confidence, teamwork, and healthy competition. They also teach life lessons that cannot be learned inside the classroom. Thank you.
I would say intramurals are never a waste of time because what we gain here goes beyond trophies. They teach us discipline, teamwork, and perseverance. Sports shape not only stronger bodies but a stronger character.
Intramurals is not a waste. They build friends, show talent, and teach lessons we cannot learn in class. Sports is not a waste of time. They are mirrors in our life. Every game is a battlefield with courage. Every victory, a lesson. Every loss, a teacher. We're the champions. We're born beyond the arena, playing with courage and all heart.
Sport is not a waste of time. Sports can help you meet other people, also teaches us how to discipline and respect other people. Sports also help our body to be physically fit and helps our mind function properly, especially when you are a student. Sports is not just all about game, but also a life lesson. Thank you.
Ang masasabi ko sa mga people that says that intramurals is a waste of time. Ang masasabi ko is intramurals is not a waste of time. It's investment. Through sports, you can boost your confidence and build a teamwork. In short, it's not a waste of time. It's investment. Thank you so much po.
Ang may bibigay ko is hindi lamang basta wasting time ang bibigay ito dahil nakikipagsalusun. So, my message to those who are saying that joining in intramurals are just a waste of time. Intramurals offers health benefits, teamwork, and break from academics, contributing to well-being and a well-rounded education, showing that joining in intramurals are not a waste of time. Thank you.
Third runner-up for the male category, candidate number 5 from the Green Amity. For the female category, our third runner-up is candidate number 2 from the Green Amity. this for the pinning of sashes. The second runner-up for the male category, we have candidate number 8, J-Lord A. Cabansag of the blue team. And for the female category, we have